Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete or how to remove your Phantom wallet. So first and foremost, as you can see, I'm in my Phantom wallet portfolio. So if you want to delete or remove your Phantom wallet permanently, what you'll do is simple. You click on this drop down arrow over here. So once you click on that drop down arrow, you'll see you have two accounts over here. So for this case, I'll be deleting account 2. So to delete account 2, I'll click on settings. Once you're on the settings icon, click on manage accounts. So once you click on manage accounts, you see two accounts over there. So if you want to delete one of this account, what you'll do is quite simple. Click on the account over here and click on this arrow over here. Okay. So once you click on that account and you click on that arrow, you see the options over here. This is account name. So the last option, which is red, is remove account. Once you click on remove account, you'll be asked once again, do you want to remove or delete your Phantom wallet account? Then you'll be prompted to accept over here. As you can see, it's marked red because once you delete your account, you lose all your coins that have been on your account or all your tokens on your account. So you have to be cautious before you do this. So for this case, I won't be doing this. I'll just showing you how to do this, but that's it guys. And I hope you found value in this video. If so, like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.